In a fast-paced agile world, developers are busier than ever working on multiple projects at the same time. Their priorities range from planning to writing product specifications, developing to testing and releasing code, all while keeping their team up to date on the status of a given project. All of these are required steps that need to be completed for a product to be built successfully. The challenge is managing all of these tasks effectively. To do this, developers can use Microsoft Teams and integrations available in the Teams App Store. We'd like to feature a few apps such as Jira, Confluence, GitHub, and Jenkins that enable you to have an effective workflow. Let's walk through a day in the life of a developer and see some of the common DevOps activities that can be completed across different apps within Teams. Meet Adele, a developer who's working with her product manager to plan for 2 key features for an upcoming sprint. Based on their discussion, Adele creates a task to track the work that needs to be done. She does this by going to a Jira tab in Teams. Jira is a project management tool used in her organization. Bob, one of her team members, gets the notification and acknowledges the work that is being done. Adele writes the spec in Confluence, a collaboration tool, and pins it as a tab in Teams. She then shares the spec with her team to discuss and get feedback before sign-off. After Adele has written the code, she raises a GitHub pull request to get the code reviewed by her team. Based on how the notifications are subscribed, they go to a channel for the team to review and provide feedback. After the code is approved, Adele can merge the code either from Teams itself or from the GitHub portal. To keep her team up to date on all the build pipelines, she uses Jenkins in her build workflows. Adele goes to the Jenkins portal to configure a new build pipeline and kick off the build. Adele is then notified as to whether the build has passed or failed. It passed. Adele was able to achieve better productivity by using different apps from within Teams, right where she spends most of her time. To get started, go to the Teams App Store today to download these DevOps integrations and more.